the part is we need to install our Docz from here. So let's install that. So npm install Docz. So that will install our npm Docz in our process. So yeah, let's do that first. So in the time of installing the whole thing, let's look at the Docz. So docz.site is their URL, so you can go there and they have a pretty decent documentation which you can easily look into, like how to create all those things. So we also need to install add this three script to in our package.json to run the Docz in our local, so that we can see like what we are building. So we are also going to copy this three and we will do that. Okay, so will changes get reflected automatically? Yeah, when you are running that dev, like as I showed you, like the first one, if you go here, getting started. So when we are using the docs.dev, like running by docs.dev, then we can easily see that from our local host. I mean, it's run on the localhost 3000 normally, so we can see it from there. So that's the question answer of for Joshua. And Sharu, there is another question. So do you think that having a bad documentation is better than no documentation at all? I mean, normally one of the good thing is like you need to write the code so that it's quite understandable. So that is one of the thing we need to do. But if we don't have that, then maybe it's better to have a bad documentation somehow, because there are a lot of companies who has the bad documentation, but it's better than having nothing at all, because then, I mean, nobody can really understand anything of that. So having a little documentation maybe helps. So if someone new join on the project, maybe they will try to make it better. But if there is no documentation, then most of the people will not even try to manage that. So yeah, it's better to have something at least. So that's how you can do that. So yeah, now our Docz is installed. So I'm going to do a little copy paste from for my this that is scripts, because we are not going to write that down by us. So script, copy that, and let's put that on our package JSON. So here, maybe after the linting I can just put that. So before running, we can just try to run it in. Now we are not going to run our dev one, because we already know the output on that side. So we are going to run the Docz. Okay, so let's see, npm run Docz dev, and now it's going to open on 3000 port. So let's just go to the 3000 on our side. So we have the old one. Once we refresh, it's going to change, and it didn't load yet, so it's loading. This is one of the good thing we can do. So first, we can tell everyone like how to run the app or anything from here. So to run, let's just say, so Docz, I can put that. So to run the app, let's just run the command like which is needed. So npm run dev is running. So we can use yarn too, but it's up to you, like if you want to use that. And once we save it again, and it should update, it's normally not don't update. So it's creating by gets by. So once you refresh it, it will update. And now if we go to the Next.js, see, it's going like development page, because we don't have any data on particularly here. I would like to show a little bit about the blog I wrote, because that's going to give you more idea like what to do on. So if you're looking for that, Aviyel is creating a lot of blogs for different things. So you can go to the aviyel.com and it will hit you to the discussion, and you can see all of the things they are posting, and we are also trying to make it better. So here is my one. So this one I also explain everything, and we also have a GitHub version with it. So if we just look at this version, we have, okay, so See, this one is directly hosting inside of GitHub pages, and if you want to host your things for free, you can just use GitHub pages. And I wrote all the details how you can, hosting in the GitHub page. So go to the link and try to read it from there. It will be helpful for everyone.